Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I'm going to show you an app called IGBA. Now I think this is probably the best Game Boy Advance emulator you can get for all iDevices running iOS 9 to iOS 11. So the link's in the description. You just want to open Safari and it'll come up with IGBA. So as you can see here it says install for iOS, so I'm just going to tap that. So it's going to bring up an ad fly page. You're just going to want to wait until you can bypass the advert. So guys, just tap the skip ad option up here. It's going to bring you to a new page and it's going to say this website is trying to open settings to show you a configuration profile. So you want to tap allow on this because you want to install the emulator. And it's going to bring you to your settings. It's going to say IGBA. As you can see, it's a verified app, so you can press install up here and then install again. Now I just want to tap done. It's going to bring you back to the website. You can just close all the tabs. Now you just want to tap the home button, go to your home screen, swipe, and there you go, IGBA. So I'm just going to run it. So it's going to come up saying the latest updates and everything. You can just tap get started. So as you can see, really simple interface. To add a ROM, what you want to do is you want to go to the Game Hub. As you can see, there's tons of ROMs going across at the top. You can search for them, find them on here. So these are the most popular ones. I'm going to go for Pokemon Emerald. Pokemon Emerald has been added to your library. You can tap all of these, you can add all of them if you want to. So once you've added the ROMs you want to add, you just want to tap the home button, relaunch IGBA. Scroll down and as you can see you've got 2 games here. These are the ones that I added. You can add your own custom ROMs by choosing the game URL and box art here. You can get them from any website. So I'm just going to launch Pokemon Emerald right now and see how it works. So you've got like a little option menu down here. You can turn the sound on and off. You can fast forward the game, fix controls, save the game and close the emulator. So yeah, this emulator runs really well. You can install all Game Boy Advance games on it. You can get it from all devices running iOS 9 to iOS 11. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.